catch up on some coyotes. So I got a few there that got to touch up with some borax. Should have washed them, but short on time. And then these ones have to turn tonight. And here's some coyotes to caught up on. Here's the fisher from the video here, and then the weasels. Fisher, his tail had a little boo-boo. Blake wanted to skin it and he popped the tail off, so that's alright. We all gotta learn. Here's the lynx. Here you can see it's a little bit brown, but not too bad. But nice big lynx. Didn't weigh it. Big Tom, but it's about 41.5 inches long from the tip of his nose to the base of his tail right here. That's a fair sized lynx. Got a few more coyotes to do, and I'm gonna be working on some skulls and stuff like that here as well. Trying to catch things up for the end of the month. Here's some old wolf skulls that forgot I had in a pail, so I'm gonna touch those up and then play around with a few other things. But just thought to give you a quick update. I'm heading to the city here tomorrow, so I thought I'd empty out the shop again. Send out some of the furs. These ones are ready. Get rid of the lynx and the fisher. And then the 2 marten that we caught the other day. Send those off. And these weasels. Then I'll just have a couple more coyotes to deal with here, and when I get back from the city, I will set up that other bait and hopefully pick up a few animals there. And yeah, maybe I'll take a little video there, drop it off the fur at ATA. Alright, we'll catch you later.